welcome to lesson 4 of this Adobe Captivate 8 course. Today we're going to look at the last two project options that are available from the home screen, and they are from project template and from a blank project. So let's look at the project template. Essentially the project template is, as the name would suggest, it's asking us to find a template that we've created previously and to use that to start a new project, giving us a consistent theme and a consistent design approach. If I double click that, Captivate will have us search for a suitable theme. There we go, there's a project template previously created, simple blue background theme. So if I double click on that, wait for the slides to generate, what we should have is a simple blue background template that we have previously created for us to go in there and add to these slides. As I said, the consistent design, consistent approach to your work is what really saves you time here as well, and this is a feature I use quite a lot. Finally, the last feature we're going to look at is the blank project. Now the blank project is probably the project that you spend most of our time in, and it's going to be the one that we start our next lesson with, where we really go in and look in more detail at what Captivate 8 can do. Let's double click in there and introduce you first of all to what the blank project looks like. So here we go, a blank project in Adobe Captivate 8.0. This view should be quite familiar to you at this stage based on the other projects we've seen. Up here we select the type of slide that we want to start with. The type of slide is actually very important based on the content you want to have in there. We can change the theme, we can add shapes and objects, we can add media, videos, images, and we can also narrate from this view. Most of our work is going to be done in the blank project area, and in our next lesson we're going to spend a lot of time creating a brand new piece of e-learning. Okay, so let's quickly go back to the home page and show you two important areas that we've yet to look at. The first is the recent tab. If we click in there, this will show us any recent projects we've worked on. Obviously this is quite empty because we have yet to create e-learning masterpieces. If we click browse down here, that will allow us to search. Up on the right, if we double click, we have a link to really useful how-to video tutorials for everything you need to know about Captivate 8.0. It may be a good idea to look in there before our next lesson when we really take on creating e-learning material. So that is all for lesson 4. See you in lesson 5. Take care.